Hello my sweet friends, welcome to DIY with Nadia and welcome to my home. Today I'm taking you into my party room. My party room is actually my basement. We live in a 1950s home and the way it's set up, I wanted one area of the home where we can all stay. So if the kids are watching movies and we're still eating or whatnot, I wanted us all to be together. And we decided to do that in our basement. So in our basement, that is where our coffee bar is, our dining room, and also our little movie area. Now, let's get started on our tour. As you come down the stairs to the basement or the party room, I have a basket full of slippers and everyone has their own, plus some extra for guests. Next to it, I have this big empty wall. So what I do is I put a backdrop on it, and whether it's a birthday or fall, I change it out so it matches whatever event that's going on. And I have extra chairs here. Home Sweet Home, that big pillow is from Home Goods and it's buffalo check on the back and it is so pretty. I love this one. It's great for big couches, and here it's taking up room of 2 chairs. Next we have our theater room, and here we have these big couches. That center part comes down so it's a little table, and my hubby and I just love sitting here and just watching movies. In the back, that's my husband's office. Then a little spot for Leo. And I wanted to show you these little curtains. They are so adorable. And they have this little sweet trim. I got those on Amazon and they're in my Amazon shop if you're interested. Very pretty. Then this I made for winter. I'm going to link any videos that are DIYs in the description box. Then this is from Ferris Land. There's a little dough there, and the Christmas trees in there, they're from the Dollar Tree with some fur right here. This is the fur infinity scarf from the Dollar Tree, and it's just so beautiful. Little twinkly lights here and there, and it's perfect. And these 2 pieces are from IKEA. So here we go with the Rae Dunn. I have some birdhouses here, which my mom thinks I have way too many. She doesn't understand it. Then we have some pictures. You guys recognize those little troublemakers. And then there's a picture of me and my hubs. Those Christmas trees are from the Dollar Tree. And then more birdhouses. That's a cookie jar, actually. That's actually the cookie jar that started my Rae Dunn insanity. Then those I made last year. I can attach a video of how I made them. And it's actually a set of 3 Christmas trees. And these little stands right here, they're from Home Goods. I just changed the ribbon out. On the bottom shelf, we have some dog toys, blankets for the family. And this corner is my favorite. We got the bottom shelf is for the kids, so we have books and stuff like that with some juice boxes and then some water and of course keto treats so I don't get tempted for me and my sisters, my family, whoever comes over. Nothing too exciting on here because my husband brings systems back and forth, so I usually try not to put too much stuff here. But at the bottom there, I have pillows from IKEA, and that little basket just holds extra stuff that my husband has. Next, I have a centerpiece here and a coffee table, and I love this coffee table because there is a second one underneath it if I need it. So it's perfect when you have company and you want to serve some treats and stuff. So I love that. Then the second couch there. And now let's move on to my favorite part, which is the Christmas tree. So let's point out the Dollar Tree stuff. Dollar Tree. All of these white ornaments are from the Dollar Tree. And look at this. I went to 9 Dollar Trees to collect these, but I think it turned out so beautiful. So 90% I guess of all of this decor is from the Dollar Tree. And then I do have a few pieces that were from the Christmas place, like these little birds right here. This little bird, I absolutely love her. So, oh, look at this. Also, this is the Christmas place in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee, which is my all-time favorite store ever. This is one of my favorite things from Amazon. I absolutely love this. This is actually a heater. It was super simple to put together. I'm going to include a clip right now. My husband's attaching the legs right now. There you go. There's these legs that go on the corners of all of them. There's our little supervisor. This is so cute. I still have my Thanksgiving table, but this little guy is going to look so beautiful for Christmas. Has little protectors for the door, which is very nice. Oh, this is so adorable. Little handle. Where does it turn on? Does it turn on in the back or here? Let me see here. Oh, there you go. There you go. Okay, we're gonna do a little test drive. You saw the buttons that I showed you on the inside, but this beautiful fireplace also comes with a little remote control. There you go. Okay, let's turn it on. Oh, there you go. Look how pretty. This is so cute. You guys, seriously, you can feel the heat right away, and it's like, wow. My mom usually sits on that side, but I think I'm going to move my mom on this side because she is going to love this and how close this is, because this is, my party room is in the basement and it kind of is a little cold. So this is going to be a perfect addition for my parents, and they're going to be nice and cozy. And of course, we got a chair for Santa there. This is super, super cute. I will leave the link to this heater in the description box below, but I am absolutely in love with this sweet little heater. Now, here we have a pillow on this chair, kind of like Santa's chair, but look how gorgeous this whole setup looks with a little heater in the middle that looks like a little fireplace. It's so cozy and cute. Next, I have the table here. I'm just going to quickly show you what I have actually with the plates. The centerpiece here was made by my mom, and she gifted it for me a few years ago. But the centerpiece, I just have a charger right here that is from Amazon, just a simple charger. Then next, the dinner plate is actually Martha Stewart. Isn't this beautiful? Then these salad plates were actually thrifted, and these are by Gibson. And these beautiful Rae Dunn napkins, these were from Marshall's. For my coffee bar, I tried to keep it simple and user-friendly so my guests kind of just come in and do their coffee whenever they want to. So I have the Keurig, I have, you know, everything you need down there. Then I have all kinds of sugars. I have raw sugar, regular sugar, honey, and then monk sugar for me. Some Christmas tree there, and that right there, that's actually dried mint. And I pick it at my mom's garden every year. Oh, it smells so good. And I just drop a little bit in my tea as I'm making it. It's so easy. You just pick it, wash it, and then just dry it. And that's it. And then here I have my Nespresso and the pods for them. I keep in this little container. This was also a Dollar Tree DIY. And now for our Radon Hutches. These were actually from IKEA. Very nice and clean. I love them. They're next to the coffee bar, of course, because it's all mugs. So starting at the top, these are our special mugs. My husband loves making coffee in these when we do movie nights or something together. So I have Queen Bee, King, and then hubby and wifey we got last year on Valentine's. Here I have an assortment of just different mugs, and then in the middle right there I have some gray and blue going on. I do try to color coordinate them. In the second hutch on top, I have basically on top it's black and pink, and I just have them kind of arranged and organized. And then here, all of them except this one and the one in the back I'll show you in a second, they are the ones who have the colors on the inside of the mug. So here's the imposter mug, and here's why it's an imposter. You can definitely see that the ceramic is very, very different. That's why I keep it in the back. But it's a very special mug because we got it when we went to Vegas with my husband, and we stayed at the Paris Hotel. So hence it says bonjour. And as you can see, it's a Paris little sticker on the bottom. So yeah, I love that mug. Now for our Christmas setup, let's start at the top right here. So first I wanted to show you my little collection that has the little stitching. I absolutely love these mugs. There's one in the back and there's a Merry Christmas one. And then for those who didn't know, the word hope actually means my name. And this is a Rae Dunn ornament. It was gifted to me by my friend Anna. And it was a set of 3, so hope. And then in the back it says wish. And this one says believe, and I think they're so pretty. This was a DIY from last year. On the main shelf here, I have a cookie plate, which is so adorable. It says Jingle Bells, and it's the size of a salad plate. Then we have Santa's cookies jar. Then a little picture that says Merry Christmas, and if you can tell, there's that famous stitching, which I'm very excited about that I saw it. I grabbed it. And you can definitely use it for flowers, or you can actually use it for some milk or some cider or whatever. And then these, I am absolutely in love with these little plates. I got 2 of these, and of course you see the stitching. And inside I have some faux cherries from Amazon. Yep, I'm seeing a little common thread here. And then I'm going to go on top right here, and I have some sweet little mugs, some hot cocoa, and then that other one right here, which is a red one, says ho ho ho, and I just threw some ornaments in there. One of my favorite mugs that I acquired this year is this one. It's peppermint mocha, because that is definitely one of my favorite things to drink around the Christmas holiday. Here at the bottom, I got some more cuties. I got this gnome that has a hat. I absolutely love it. Look at this. Isn't it adorable? And then this one, Santa's helper right here. And then I just have a Santa. Now this is a tea one. This one has a little lid. It's in the, I washed it right now, so it's drying. But it has a little lid that goes on top of it. Some DIYs from last year. And making spirits bright. I hope you enjoyed this little home tour. And if you are a collector or have some pieces from Rae Dunn, let me know in the comments below, because you know what, just recording this I know might have a problem a little bit. I need to stop buying these mugs. It's just so darn hard when you see some cute ones. Alrighty, you guys have a great one, and I will see you all in my next video.